What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express with a plate system that is backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. This is for all of you restricted Nitrous Class racers out there. Our conventional RNC or restricted Nitrous Class systems are a great choice for professional racers that are limited to a single bar plate. The reason that these systems work so well is thanks to a few specialty components. First is our CNC machined billet aluminum nitrous plate with enlarged nitrous passages. Next up, we have one of our largest orifice nitrous solenoids, the Super Shark. And what better way to feed that enormous solenoid than with an 8AN feed line? Finally, if you decide to purchase your system with a bottle, we include the industry exclusive highest flow available billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve with an 8AN nipple. The combination of these components results in a very dense liquid nitrous charge which allows the maximum amount of nitrous flow through a certain size jet. The results of these RNC systems are so impressive that you'll have to use one to believe it. Nitrous Express's RNC systems are guaranteed to make the most power per jet size of any nitrous system on the market. This specific RNC system is rated for 250 to 650 rear wheel horsepower, and we include jetting for 300 to 650. If you'd like to learn more about one of the baddest nitrous systems out there, you can visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.